Lecture 10779. My hardened heart finds no peace. Master, in your teachings you imparted the lesson that harboring resentments without finding resolution can create difficulties in our lives. In the past, I held significant grievances against my nephew regarding some financial matters. And after receiving a hurtful and saddening message from him, I made the decision to sever our relationship. However, today I feel a tightness in my chest. I humbly request your guidance on how to release this tension. Thank you. Does the questioner trust me? If you do, then surrender your burden to me, placing your knot in my hands. Next, think of something you would like to pursue and dedicate your efforts to it. Engage in activities, study, explore any means that bring you joy, and follow that path. Over time, healing will come. Continuing to fixate on specific thoughts or attempting to forcefully suppress them will never lead to their eradication. There are more productive things to focus on. Immerse yourself in something meaningful, and soon those thoughts will fade away, no longer causing you worry. Continue along that path, and with time, things will fall into place. As you grow and gain experience on this journey, you will come to understand why events unfolded exactly as they did. When that realization dawns upon you, you will no longer need to carry that knot in your heart, and everything will naturally resolve itself. This is our innate ability. If you find yourself unable to let go of something you carry, it means you lack this ability. Strive to cultivate it. Even if it takes 1 or 2 years to acquire, once you have it, you can personally verify whether the knot will tighten in your chest again. Here is what you need to do from now. Focus on developing your abilities. Someone who has acquired these abilities does not dwell on the unpleasant events that occurred in their life. They perceive reality from a different perspective. They have allowed themselves to release the burdens that weighed them down. Clinging to those knots will only exacerbate the situation. By solely fixating on the problem, you prevent yourself from seeing anything else. Even if it is within your sight, you will never have the opportunity to transcend it and understand what you came to accomplish on this earth. Conversely, if you dedicate yourself to study and find joy in it, the blockage will dissolve without you even realizing it, as you will no longer have the time or the inclination to dwell on your problem. It is beneficial to have faith in the Master. And if you derive pleasure from studying, commit yourself to it wholeheartedly. Then you will witness the results. Dedicate yourself for 1 or 2 years, and you will notice an increase in the quality of your energy. At that point, you will realize that it is not about consciously releasing the knots, as everything will naturally resolve itself. This Master will assist you. Let us embark on this journey together, okay?